Hi guys, welcome to Tech Y2K. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted photos on your Android mobile for free using DiskDigger. For this task, you don't need to root your phone, but you can only recover photos. On your Android mobile, go to the Play Store. Now, search and install DiskDigger. Go to Start Basic Photo Scan. Allow DiskDigger to access photos. Now scan completed. You can store a covered picture in any location. I am going to save it in the downloads. Select the recovered picture and save it like this. Now go to the saved file location, and you can access a file. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.